Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Vantage app. Withdrawing money from Vantage is simple and can be done via the app or website. First, log into your account, then navigate to the withdrawal option. On the website, this is located next to your VW wallet under the funds section, while in the app, you'll find it under your account menu. Once there, select the account you wish to withdraw from, enter the amount you want, ensuring your balance covers it, and you can even use the max option to withdraw all available funds. After entering the amount, choose your preferred withdrawal method, whether it's a card or another option, and confirm the transaction. With just a few steps, your funds will be on their way securely and efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.